Y'all love these low floor buses, eh? Look how brilliant the STM looks, huh? They get rid of all the classics. There's probably at least 50 buses stuck like this all over the city right now. Maybe even more actually, probably more like 100. Fucking junk. Ah ouais, appelle le towing, esti. Ton esti de compagnie de merde. Huh? What about this guy here? He's not fucking going anywhere. He looks like he's fucking stuck too. I relish in this shit. Look at that fuck. Huh? Huh? Stupid transit motherfuckers. Esti de gang d'imbéciles. Hein? T'aurais dû garder les classiques, tabarnak. Esti. Hein? C'est ça. Ah ouais, avec la scrap, tabarnak. Huh? Now I'm gonna get to work in 2 hours. STM. You know what? You're all a bunch of suckers for accepting this fucking garbage.